That is the biggest vending machine ever invented. That's Amy on our last day.
I wanted some water.
Whoa,
a big one.
Is chewing gum not come out?
No, it comes out again.
Does it? Oh.
Yeah, again. She gets it from beginning.
I'll get it from long distance, middle of road. That's the vendors at work.
Bringing it back.
Oh, that's nice.
We're going back to get our suitcases and go home now.
Yeah, home time. Sad. We've just got some proper ace photos developed there. They'll keep the memory alive. Oh, look us walking back. Has that changed? And there it is. That's where we're staying. We're staying. Home for the last week.
This video before you give Pete a present because you've got an harmonica. Ha ha, ruined it.
What?
Yeah, the harmonica.